Today I'll show you how to connect a mouse and keyboard to an Android phone while charging it at the same time. To do this, you'll need a USB-C hub. This is a small adapter with multiple ports, such as HDMI, SD and microSD slots, a USB-C cable, and additional USB-A and USB-C ports. I'll leave links in the description to some USB-C hubs you can purchase. This USB-C hub has a 100-watt power delivery input via a USB-C port, so I can connect my fast charging cable to the hub's power input. Then I connect the hub's USB-C cable to my phone. As you can see, my phone is now charging rapidly. Finally, I can connect my wireless mouse and keyboard to the USB-A ports on the hub. As you can see, I can now use the mouse and keyboard. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.